This guy.
So my body said, "Love all the."
Okay, so the time is currently 6:45 in the morning and I am off to San Diego International Airport to go and get on the cheapest flight out of America that I can find, or out of San Diego Airport at least. Let's go. Right, so step one was get to the airport. We've done that. So I have booked flights already. I went online last night and I booked them to try and find the cheapest one available. And I'm just gonna go straight through, get straight on the plane, and you can find out where I'm going when I get there. Right, should have arrived. Something pretty crazy. Still not going to tell you where until I get to the hotel though. Right, we're going to go and get a taxi and carry it on. Right, okay, so guys, I have arrived. And I can tell you now, I am in Cabo in Mexico. So it only cost me $250 to get here and back. And that's like included everything. So that's cost me $250 and it was the cheapest trip I could find for a night. So that's what I've come to. I'm gonna go down, we've got a really nice beach here. We've got some nice snorkeling, so I've got my mask, I've got my GoPro, and I'm gonna have a little look around. Right, okay, so unlike California, masks are still into use here in Mexico. So I'm getting Uber down to the beach now, and there's a couple of beach bars down there. I'm gonna go down, have a couple of beers, maybe have a fajita, and just check out the beach. I'm not gonna have a load to do while I'm here, so all the stuff that sort of happens in the morning and the evening I've just kind of missed. So I'm literally just gonna explore, have a couple hours out in the sun, because I've got to be up early for my flight back home. But for now, let's go down to the beach. Right, okay, so I got the Uber driver to drop me off at the Forest Beach Club, or beach bar restaurant. And I was walking down the beach now. I was going to stop at a few of them, see which one has the nicest food. Just seen a really cool little place called Rustic, which is like private tents on the beach. I think it's a little restaurant there, which seems really, really cool. There's a lot of surfing here. The waves aren't huge, but it's cool for like learning to surf. The beach is gorgeous, really long, really nice for my feet. So this is Cabo, really cool little place. And it's really cool that it's the cheapest place for me to go on holiday outside of America. So probably come back again on a bit of a longer trip than 24 hours. Right, okay guys, so I've changed rooms now and I'm going to explain why. So basically I was in San Jose, which is a really quiet area and there's nothing to do there. So I've now come to San Lucas, where apparently all the bars are, all the places to eat, drink, and the really nice views are. So I've come to move here now because I felt like I've come all this way, I might as well experience the place properly. So I'm going to charge my phone for a little bit, then we're going to head out, we're going to go and have a look at some of the bars, get some food, have a look at the beach, and tomorrow morning hopefully get some really nice drone footage of the area as well. But for now guys, let's head on out. So I'm back, I'm properly in Cabo now. This feels a little bit more like what I was expecting. Hey yo! Right, okay guys, so that was San Lucas that I was in tonight. I was in San Jose earlier on. So San Jose is like more relaxed, it's a little more tranquil, a bit more chilled out. San Lucas is like where the crazy stuff happens, where the bars and the nightlife and stuff is. It is really, really cool. Definitely gonna come back down here again, do a proper trip down here. This is obviously just a 24-hour challenge sort of thing. But I'm going to wake up tomorrow morning, I'm going to head down to the beach in San Lucas and check that out because there's loads of boats out there. There's a huge cruise ship up there as well, so I'll go and have a look at that. But I'm just going to head to bed tonight because I like to get up early. So let's go to bed. Oh, so I've slept in, which means I can't go down to the beach, unfortunately, but I'm going to go down and get some breakfast. Then I've got to organise a taxi to get back to the airport. Back to sunny San Diego. I am coming back to Cabo again though. So after a wonderful 24 hours in Mexico, it is time for me to fly back to San Diego. It has been a really good time down here. I'm definitely going to come back and visit again and do a proper video. But for now guys, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the notification button, and I'll see you next time.